Okay, to make resources available to you, what we're going to do is review through some of the homework questions, help you get set up and working through them. So I'm in section 10.3, so this was perimeter and tessellations. It says right there. I've taken out a number of questions because actually I'm not going to have you do work on tessellations. That's actually extra. I did have you do a project, but we will need to do things like perimeter. So to get the perimeter of this rectangle, notice they give you all four sides. I'll get my pen working here. Let's go with we'll go with green. So remember, perimeter is the little guy who's going to walk around the building. There's 20 centimeters plus 4 plus 20 plus 4. So that's how you're going to get that that answer. So it's adding all the sides together. Notice it's in centimeters. It's going to stay in centimeters. You put your answer in and you'll get it. Okay. So yeah, will you receive credit? No, I don't need credit. Are you sure you want to continue? Yes, I don't want to check my answer. And I need to clean my screen. There we go. Same thing here, even though it's a parallelogram, which is a little different, it's still distance around. So we walk one side, 10 plus 5 plus 10 plus 5. That's going to give you your perimeter. So we'll just kind of keep walking through these, and I'll get maybe less and less. Now this one is where some people go, well, I got two of the sides, but what about the other sides? Because they tell us that it's a rectangle. We know from being a rectangle that this opposite side has to be 6 yards, and the opposite side of the 8 has to also be 8 yards. So again, for perimeter, add all the sides together and you'll be just copacetic all the way. Okay, so you'll see both. That's really all I'm going to have you do. A square, each of the sides are the same length. So 190 plus 190 plus 190 plus 190, and again, it's going to be in inches, not square inches. That's in lesson 10.4. Not cubed inches. That's in lesson 10.5. So this one is just perimeter, a walk around the block. Triangle, same deal. 15 plus 7 plus 13. Add the sides together, you'll get your perimeter. The little night watchman, walk around the triangle. That's all there is to this. Same thing here, different shape, but take a walk around the triangle. Add all three sides together. Now the fact that we know this is an equilateral means all laterals are equal, all sides are equal. So 7 plus 7 plus 7. 21 yards. You could do that in your head, right? 3 times 7. On the 13, here's a square. Again, that's a regular polygon. Do they tell us it's a square? They don't, but if it's well, they don't say it's a square, but since it's a regular polygon, the only kind of regular polygon means that all sides are the same. So 10, 10, 10, 10. 10 4 times is 40. Okay, now you may have slightly different numbers on the questions that you're given. Make sure you're matching up with that. But you should have similar problems, except for like these. I've taken this out. I think we're just about done. I'm trying to shorten these up, make it so that you can just focus on what's really important, and we'll move forward. Okay, that was it. 10.3, very good. I'm going to go ahead and stop this. I'll put in one for 10.4.